All right, heading into the early evening, no serious flakes falling in the FM area, although we've seen a few drifting down through the sky, nothing of substance, and temperatures still hovering right around that freezing mark, 32 degrees, feeling like 22 though, with those east-southeast winds to 14 miles per hour. Here's a look elsewhere. Grand Forks, still some snow on the roof from yesterday's event and a little bit more falling right now, wetting the road surfaces. It's 29 degrees, so we could have some slippery roads in the Northern Valley. Winds 9 miles per hour straight out of the east. A little milder air here in the Red River Valley, the low spot, but we have 23 Langdon, Jamestown at 27, and off to the east we have mid-20s for Baudette to 30 in Detroit Lakes. All right, this radar imagery here tells the story of what's going on. Fargo, not seeing a lot of snow yet, and this is our opportunity to get it. Notice this band right here, basically along Highway 10 through the FM area in the central Red River Valley, on out and towards Lemoore and Dickey counties. Right now, no snow falling there. We may be missing the best chance to see some accumulation here. So some in these areas may not see very much, but down to the south, heavy bands south of Sisseton and fairly modest bands moving across the Harvey area right now, moving in toward the Devil's Lake Basin in the Highway 200 corridor. So again, snowflakes start in Richland County, and we do have some flakes flying in Otter Tail County, but the heaviest south of the South Dakota border. Highway 200 right here, and then as we head up 52 near Harvey, we have flakes the size of Hutch's fist out there where you're seeing these white echoes. That's heading into southern parts of Ramsey and Benson counties right now, and also southern Grand Forks County seeing some flaky weather as well. So right now we have snow here that will be continuing to drift eastward, more developing to the west, which will impact some of our area for tomorrow. So right now our forecast model doesn't show the bite taken out of the precipitation field here. Snow will get heavy down along the South Dakota border and our far southern Minnesota counties as well as we go toward the 10 o'clock hour with light snow in northeast North Dakota. Temperatures slowly falling into the 20s, and it's out of here during the overnight hours. Many areas picking up 1 to 3 inches. I think we'll see a band of heavier snow in the far south. By tomorrow morning, that next wave approaches northeast North Dakota and north central North Dakota. Drifting along the international border, along and north of Highway 2, we'll see a chance of moderate snowfall and accumulating snow and some wind as well. Slippery conditions for our Northern Valley viewers. Maybe some rainfall in the Fargo area and Lakes Country, and some areas of slippery conditions, including sleet or grapple, those little snow pellets. That's out of here by Saturday night and into Sunday morning. So the snowfall potential, I want to go over this with you. The best chance of some significant accumulations, 3 to 6, remains south in South Dakota. And also with Saturday's events, 3 to 6 inches of snow along the international border. I think for Detroit Lakes and Fargo, maybe an inch with the system as we go through the overnight hours, and then most of tomorrow will be quiet. Speaking of tomorrow, 31 to start the day. It will be breezy, 15 to 25 miles per hour out of the southeast. We could get a brief period of sprinkles of rain as temperatures peak near 40 degrees. 33 Valley City, 32 Langdon, and we'll have mid-30s to around 40 for our Minnesota counties. A gorgeous postcard shot uploaded by Jesse of Hackensack, Minnesota. Trees covered in snow, and it looks like many of you will see picturesque scenes like that. Tomorrow night, don't forget to turn the clocks back as it snows for the better part of the day along the international border. Sunday looks cold with temperatures falling from 35 degrees. We'll spend next week in the 20s and 30s. A little bit more sunshine and drier will be the weather pattern for the most part next week as well.
Hey, we'll have to get used to 30s and lower soon, so.
It's here already.
Yeah, thanks.
You bet.